Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back with the mermaid on the rock technique. All it is you lay your two legs on the side like you're laying down, relaxing, enjoying the sun. And then with your two hands, you walk across your body as far as possible, and then you're going to hear a crack. Let me show you how it's done, okay? So your foot is on top of your knee. So it's in line like that. And then once you have that done, you use your two hands and walk across behind your body, like so, as far back as you can. Oh. Then you do the same thing for the other side. Foot on the knee, so. Then walk forward with your hands across. Alright, that's how you crack your lower back. Please consult your chiropractor, physician, physical therapist. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.